In this video, we're going to talk about your pipeline, and probably the most important thing that you can manage within your database is your pipeline. So let's talk about what exactly a pipeline is. So a pipeline is really just a visual representation of where potential clients are in the buying process. So it's kind of a stage progression, like this funnel right here, right? And it's meant for you to be able to keep track of progress between your actual leads coming in to actually closing a deal. And the reason you really want to make sure that you manage this super well is because it helps you to see where there could be opportunities where customers may be dropping off and not really following along the journey, and it gives you places to actually improve. So the best thing that you can be doing in your database is managing your pipeline when it comes to growing revenue and growing your business. So some of the key reasons on why you can manage a pipeline is it helps you to focus, right? It helps you prioritize. You have a whole database of contacts, and you want to really look at a pipeline as an opportunity for you to focus on certain contacts and ensure that they're getting the follow-up and the nurture that they need, especially if they are a contact that is likely to convert in the next 3 to 6 months. And that's how I usually look at a pipeline, is that that's what it should contain. All your contacts should not be in your pipeline, but rather the contacts that you feel are going to convert in the next 3 to 6 months. The other thing is, what's great about a pipeline is it allows you to forecast. If you use a pipeline correctly, you can actually predict your future sales and income, and it helps you to really set goals, and it helps you for planning purposes. The other really important thing is that pipelines are great for you to nurture leads depending on their stage. The way that you may talk to a cold prospect is very different than someone who you've just had a listing appointment with and you are following up with them on, signing their listing agreement, right? So it helps you to kind of organize your contacts and understand how to follow up for each one of them. And I can tell you hands down that the most successful realtors manage their pipeline really, really well. And when they do, they see higher conversion rates because they're actually focused on it, increased sales, and really sustainable long-term growth. So you definitely want to be managing your pipeline. This is kind of what the pipeline looks like in AgentMoves. And you can see we have 2 pipelines here. The first pipeline is really just from a new lead up until we convert that lead. And the second pipeline is what we called our active pipeline. And it just means that they're already a client, but there's still a journey they have to go on before you get your commission, right? So that's kind of the 2 pipelines you have to look at. And in the next video, we'll go through how to actually manage your pipeline in AgentMoves.